GIFT Nifty is pointing to a positive start for Dalal Street. That said, our call of the day suggests that while Nifty may open higher, it could still struggle to find clear direction as optimism faces to immediate headwinds. 1. Oil prices spiked to $61.50 a barrel after President Trump imposed sanctions on Russia's top oil majors, Rosneft and Lukoil. 2. Trade tensions resurfaced, following reports that the White House is considering restrictions on U.S. software exports to China. However, downside risks on Nifty appear limited on hopes that the U.S. may cut tariffs on Indian imports to 15-16%, paving the way for a potential bilateral trade deal announcement at the upcoming ASEAN summit. Bottom line, all bullish eyes set on Nifty's all-time peak at 26,277.35, which is likely to be sooner rather than later. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1166 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3894 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive rebound play. FANO October month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 27,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 11.73 levels. At last check, USD INR, October, was trading near the 87.89 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 0.88 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th October, is at 1.12. Nifty outlook, festive spirit on Dalal Street, bullish sentiment likely to stay alive, with all eyes on Nifty's all-time high of 26,277.35 with an interweek perspective. Nifty, CMP to 5891. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,800 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 26,277 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,800 and 26100. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 84556. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 83,500 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,979 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,100 and 85100. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 58078. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 57,400 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 58,600 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,500 and 58,500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In yesterday's session, Nifty couldn't sustain early gains, with both Nifty and Sensex ending nearly flat by the close. The silver lining, both benchmarks extended their winning run to 6 consecutive sessions, reflecting underlying market resilience. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Infosys, plus 3.57%, jumped after promoters and promoter group, including Nandan M. Nilekani and Sudha Murty, decided not to participate in the company's 18,000 crore rupees share buyback. 2. Hindustan Unilever, HUL, plus 0.36%, consolidated after the company's consolidated net profit increased 3.81% to 2,694 crore rupees on 1.50% jump in total income to 16,388 crore rupees in Q2 FY26 over Q2 FY25. 3. Vardhaman Textiles, plus 7.14%, gained as optimism grew that India and the US may soon strike a trade deal, potentially easing tariff barriers on Indian exports. Meanwhile, Vardhaman Textiles reported 4.8% fall in consolidated net profit to 187.03 crore rupees on a 0.9% fall in revenue to 2,480.10 crore rupees in Q2 FY26 over Q2 FY26. 4. APAC Prefab Technologies, plus 14.07%, gained after the company's consolidated net profit surged 104.2% to 29.47 crore rupees on 61.9% increase in net sales to 433.94 crore rupees in Q2 FY26 over Q2 FY25. 5. Bharat Electronics, BAIL, rose 0.23% after the company has announced that it has secured order valued at 633 crore rupees from Cochin Shipyard. The earnings calendar promises to be eventful. Key earnings on radar this week. Friday, 24th October SBI Life, Dr. Reddy's Lab, SBI Card, Coforge. Saturday, 25th October Kotak Mahindra Bank.